Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your health choices with Zocdoc, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Zocdoc app from your device's app store. Open the application after installation. Create an account using your email address or sign in with an existing account. Once logged in, you'll see options for finding healthcare providers. Begin by selecting the type of healthcare service you need. You can search for specific doctors, specialties, or even health concerns. Input your location to narrow down the results to providers near you. Browse through the list of available healthcare professionals. Check their ratings and reviews to ensure they meet your expectations. Select a doctor to view more detailed information about their practice. Look for available appointment times that fit your schedule. Choose a time slot that works best for you and click to book. Provide any required personal information to secure the appointment. If applicable, upload your insurance details to check coverage. Review and confirm your appointment details before finalizing. You will receive a confirmation via email or in the app. On the day of your appointment, arrive prepared with any necessary documents. Follow the app's directions to get to the healthcare provider's office. After your visit, you can leave feedback on your experience. Repeat the process anytime you need to secure healthcare in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.